legacy of Dr. King is not that just remembering him. The legacy for us is to follow in his footsteps and to transform this country.
But he fought not only against injustice in the form of racism and Jim Crow laws that discriminated against black people, but he also fought against economic injustice. And that was the message that's really been lost in his legacy.
It's for the youth to understand that their struggle still goes on, but for them to understand their history, that's what makes the difference. So for them to understand what's going on and what went on way before they were born, they need to.